Hey, good morning, bro. What? Pizza?
This video channel was made as a gift for my future self, and I hope to share it with my grandchildren.
Good morning, wanderers. Happy weekend. There's the camper. Here's our table setup. And here's Yellow Bear riding her bike. Samahan niyo po kami ngayon. Tayo'y magka-camping dito sa Baguio City.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my wonderful world. Today we're in a camp channel. I'm so excited. I don't have energy. If I eat pizza, I have mega energy. Guys, I'm just still sitting here. It's at first I didn't really want to. I just stick my head out and I start sitting here. I'm just gonna hold something down here. I think I'm gonna get out later once I eat pizza. Cause that gives me energy, but the pizza's not here yet. So I'm just staying in the van. I can't ride my bike. Go up close when I was riding the bike. I didn't want to disturb it drinking water. So I just stopped for 10 seconds and then left.
It's good for you. So we're just waiting for Grandpa Joe to open. Then we're gonna
Eat pizza.
Chicken.
Yesterday when we got this thing look big, but now when I'm sitting on it, it looks small. Oh my goodness, so much gold up there.
I hope they can be seen from the camera. Sweet baby.
Can you give me the small?
We just ordered our food from Grumpy Joe. Oh. Oh. What? Pizza monster? What do we have here? Well, we have chickens and whoa, pesto.
No, that's seafood carbonara.
Oh, seafood carbonara. Can you open it, this one? There you go. And I have a rice here. Pizza. Chicken. Coffee. Seafood carbonara. Mangan tayo. And we're done eating. So niligpit na namin. Dito yung mga basura namin. Dapat syempre kada kain natin malinis. Bring your own basura, di ba? And there's my little one. She is full and satisfied. And look at the weather. It's not raining. It's not drizzling. Just good one. And people are also done with their lunch. Playing badminton, football. There you go. Those are the crows again. Raining!
Very good sa Baguio. Kasi lagi kang mabaho sa pagtagil.
For how much?
Nature hike. Teka lang.
Tayo na.
Nasa shop yung nature hike doon.
Less than a minute. Less than half a minute nga eh.
If you know what you're doing, it's definitely less than a
Actually, hindi ko
minute.
man, first time ko itong iyan. 1,000.
Coleman! Dalawang ano siya, layer.
1, 2, oo. Pwede
Dalawang piraso.
apat sila namin.
Apat.
Oh, go, get pizza. Okay. Bigyan sila.
At ang jacket, all weather ba to? Pang cold.
Oo. Ito, or weather, ito ano lang, rain.
Baka hindi niya gusto. Takpan ko baka langawin, anak. Pero nung nag-ambok na ako, kami na-realize ko na hindi ko kaya mag-camp sa baba lang.
Ako rin eh.
Kaso? Ay, kasi nga, Mr. B siya. Oo. Kaso ang init.
From friends na nangyari. Tapos ano siya, stay as long as you want yung invitation niya.
Tapos kung sino-sino pa yung dadalhin niya. Pinabilin pa kayo sa ano, no?
Sunod, Sambales, maganda rin.
Oo.
Kaso gusto na namin umuwi kasi yun nga, siyempre may work.
Bulalo.
They want to play.
Cure of postcard from nowhere.
Ito, lunggan mo.
So, table.
Table.
Extra table. Foldable din.
Kaso ano,
Actually,
Tip-
daming mga eksena sa Shopee na ganyan.
Tipid space.
Oo.
oh,
Makasalanan.
Diba? Pang hotel.
Dito yung isa. Diyan ako. Magugulat ka na lang nasa 4K na yung bill mo sa ano. Add to ka.
okay, time to release.
Hindi ko na matitigit natin yung basahan. Bumili mo na lang kaya.
Hey, good morning, bro!
Morning.
Alright, so, para sa kalaman ng nakararami, please introduce yourself.
I'm Tony. We recently moved to Baguio 2 years ago.
2 years ago, why?
Mas malamig dito.
Okay, san sa Baguio?
Mines View,
And prior to living here in Baguio, saan kayo dati nakatira?
Angeles City.
Okay, and ito po yung van nila. Ang pangalan ng van ay si
Marcus Car.
Marcus Car. Okay, saan galing
To our 4-year-old son.
si Marcus? Why did you start van life?
Well, basically, to be honest, medyo nahiya akong tawagin na van life because I don't really live in a van.
Okay.
So basically, I just call it van camping.
Yeah.
Any. Yeah, we just like to go around.
Like freedom camping.
Freedom
Okay.
camping, exactly. Park wherever. Yeah, set up camp.
How did you start and when?
Siguro we started before this kasi we already did a lot of camping. No? But never inside the van or never with our car. So siguro this started during the pandemic. We got locked down in Baguio. And it all started from there.
Who inspired you to try van life or van camping?
The first person that I've seen van camping talaga is Philippines.
Philippines, yeah.
That's the first video I've watched that made me interested into the idea.
Alright, and places you traveled with your camper van?
Saan ba? Right now we're concentrating more on the Cordillera areas lang.
It's because
So,
of the weather.
Because of the weather, we like it here. It's cold. Tapos, since we're also here, naka kami, dahil sa pandemic, dito lang yung travels namin.
How would you compare Baguio sa ibang place na pag-campan nyo na? Whether van camping or ordinary camping?
Pansin ko dito sa Baguio, as long as you find good decent shade, okay ka na. Presko, the weather is the biggest factor why we decided to stay here.
Okay. Any target place to travel?
Balak, papuntang Sagada. That's
Sagada.
where I want to go.
Sana makasama kami ron. What's your plan after the pandemic or pag lumag-lumag talaga?
Perhaps after nakaikot na kami sa Cordillera, baba naman kami, and daan kami ng North Loop.
Yeah, North Loop. Ikutin talaga natin.
Ikutin natin yung baba.
Okay. Give it a chance. I know you love this van, but ano yung wish camper van mo? Kasi kami, gusto ko talaga is H350 and si Mrs. gusto yung coaster, Toyota coaster. What about you? Aside from space gear.
Given a chance, wish camper van would be a Unimog.
Bakit yun ang gusto mo?
Well, one, they look really cool.
Okay.
At saka they can go practically anywhere talaga. Yun ang go anywhere truck.
Okay. Now, what's your dream para sa mga camper van, van lifers, or car camper community sa Philippines?
Well, sana dumami yung mga places where people can actually do car camping.
Like in
Kasi
the US or Canada, di ba?
Oo, tapos tsaka yung sana yung community maglagay sila ng mga i-post nila yung mga places where van campers could go, making it easier for people who likes to, looking to connect the dots and go around the Philippines.
Okay. Bilang mag-asawa na may anak, ano yung sasabi nyo sa mga pamilya, may maliliit na bata na gustong subukan yung car camping? Advice.
Well, just do it. Yun ang pinakamagandang advice. Whatever it is that's holding you back, just do it.
Alright, thank you so much sa pagpapaunlak sa amin and pagpapakita ng van nyo.